Recent claims suggest the discovery of extensive man-made structures beneath the pyramids of Giza, purportedly indicating a vast underground city. Researchers from Italy and Scotland utilizing radar technology have reported findings of a network of vertical columns, spiral staircases, and water systems extending over a kilometer below the surface. Some speculate that these structures could be linked to the mythical Hall of Records, believed to house ancient civilization secrets. However, these assertions have been met with significant skepticism from the archaeological community. Renowned Egyptologist Dr. Zahi Hawass has dismissed the claims as fake news, criticizing the methods and lack of peer-reviewed evidence. Radar experts also question the technology's capability to detect structures at such depths, suggesting possible exaggeration of the findings. In a separate development, archaeologists have identified an anomaly beneath a royal graveyard near the Great Pyramid. Using ground-penetrating radar and electrical resistivity tomography, they discovered an L-shaped structure about 33 feet long, buried 6.5 feet deep, with a deeper, highly resistive anomaly beneath it. While the purpose of these structures remains unclear, they may represent previously unknown archaeological remains. The theory that the Great Pyramid functioned as a power-producing plant to generate electricity has been proposed by individuals such as engineer Christopher Dunn. This hypothesis suggests that the pyramid's precise construction, use of specific materials like granite and limestone with piezoelectric properties, and its internal chambers were designed to harness and convert natural energy sources into usable power. However, this theory is not widely accepted within mainstream archaeology due to a lack of concrete evidence. In summary, while recent claims of massive subterranean structures beneath the pyramids of Giza have ignited interest and debate, they remain unverified and are subject to ongoing scrutiny. The concept of the pyramids serving as ancient power plants is speculative and lacks substantial support from the archaeological community. Further rigorous investigation and peer-reviewed research are necessary to substantiate any such claims. If we assume the theory that the pyramids of Giza functioned as power plants is correct, we can explore how such a system might have worked using a combination of known scientific principles, ancient technology, and creative speculation. Below is a speculative model for how the pyramids could have generated and distributed electricity. The Great Pyramid's construction features several key materials that could play a role in an energy system: granite chambers and shafts. The King's Chamber is built from granite, a material with high quartz content, which exhibits piezoelectric properties. It generates electrical charge when subjected to mechanical stress. Limestone exterior. The outer casing of the pyramid, now mostly eroded, was originally made of white Tura limestone, which is a good insulator. Inner limestone blocks. The core of the pyramid is made of a different type of limestone that contains conductive elements such as magnesium, allowing it to act as a primitive electrical circuit. Hypothesis. The pyramid may have acted as a giant resonator that converted natural energy sources into usable power. The Earth constantly generates electromagnetic and vibrational energy through telluric currents, which are underground electrical currents naturally flowing through the Earth's crust. Seismic vibrations also play a role. The Great Pyramid is built on a fault line, which could provide mechanical vibrations for piezoelectric energy generation. If the underground structures contained water channels, as some researchers suggest, then flowing water beneath the pyramid could have created a charge separation effect, similar to the principle of a hydroelectric power plant. The pyramid could have used its internal chambers as a Tesla-like resonator. The Grand Gallery may have functioned as a waveguide or resonant cavity, amplifying energy through harmonic resonance. The King's Chamber may have acted as the core generator, using granite's piezoelectric properties to generate an electric field. The Queen's Chamber and subterranean chamber might have served as tuning mechanisms or distribution centers. The entire pyramid acting as a giant resonator could have collected and amplified natural electromagnetic energy, generating a form of wireless power. A theory, inspired by Nikola Tesla's work on wireless energy transmission, suggests the pyramid could have transmitted energy without the need for wires. The ionosphere above Earth acts as a natural electrical conductor. The pyramid, due to its geometric shape and materials, could have generated a standing wave. sending energy into the atmosphere. If there were ancient obelisks or conductive towers placed at key points, acting like Tesla coils, they could have received and redistributed power wirelessly to other locations. If this theory were true, how might ancient Egyptians have used the power? Illumination. If ancient Egyptians had electric lamps, similar to the speculated Dendera light, a mysterious depiction in an Egyptian temple, they could have used wireless electricity to power them. Electroplating and metallurgy. Some evidence suggests Egyptians used a form of electroplating to coat artifacts with gold, which could have required an electrical current. Water purification and irrigation. Electromagnetic fields could have been used to purify or desalinate water. Medical applications. Low-energy electromagnetic fields might have been used in early healing practices. While mainstream archaeology does not support the idea of the pyramids as power plants, the combination of their geometric precision, material composition, and alignment with natural energy sources provides intriguing possibilities. If we apply modern electrical engineering principles, it's not entirely implausible that the pyramids functioned as energy collectors and possibly even wireless power transmitters. However, without concrete artifacts like wiring or energy-consuming devices, this theory remains speculative.